You like this car?
Oh.
Alright, so what's next
So
now?
what
You're gonna
you
drive
gonna
it.
Oh my God!
Ready? Set, go! Alright, everyone's ready?
Okay. What are we gonna do?
Go look at the car, right here.
Here's a
Here, Mama,
car.
look at the
No,
car.
which one?
Right
That
here.
one. No. Okay. Ah, Maria. Oh my goodness. This is a bird.
This is a bird, it's a falcon.
That car is good for older people.
I know,
Oh,
right?
this is
So you don't have to
beautiful.
fight too much with the door.
Oh my
like the
goodness.
interior?
Why?
Right?
Why like me?
Sit in, go sit in, Mama. You got it? You got it?
Oh, this is easy for me to get up. Okay, Lee.
Hey, that's
Okay,
white.
Lee.
White. How you doing?
Wow.
You can customize the AC, everything.
No, well, we got it. Oh, you had the ACC?
Yeah, so right here on this iPad.
Oh, I was gonna say that's the air from outside or from
No,
inside?
that's the inside.
Oh my
I can
goodness.
I want to show her the Christmas feature right quick. Mama, you want to see a show? So right now I'm going to show my grandma the Christmas show. I know it's going to be the first time I'm going to be doing this on camera. So let's see how it goes. And I just got to press start the show and lock the door. Get it, Mama, get it, Mama, get it. Yeah! What a good boy, what a good boy, good boy. So Mama, do you approve this car? You like this car?
Oh.
Alright, so what's next
So
now?
what-
You're
what
gonna
you
drive
gonna-
it.
Jump like those.
Hey Mama, you like it though?
One thing for sure, I can't have a car like that.
No?
It's too white.
When you get it dirty, it comes off.
Yeah, it's easy to clean.
I can control the door, so watch. What? Move your leg, and I want to hit you. And then I can close all the doors. You like that feature?
Yeah.
I can play games.
Well, if I had a car like this, I wouldn't know what to do with it.
I don't know what to do with it now. I have a car. Hola, Titi!
That's being cut from the video, right? That's it. That's being cut.
You see this video? We're gonna make this. I'm gonna get 6.6 million. All right, so I just see my cousin over here show me her most viewed video, which was, what was it?
5.8
6.8 she just said. Don't say the 5.8. You gotta up it a little bit. 6.8 she said. But she said 5 point, how much?
5.8.
I'm not good with my numbers. 5.6?
5.8.
5.8? 5.9. So 5.9 she just said. Once again, 5.9 views on TikTok. You got my TikTok? You got my TikTok? Million.
5
Million with the M. Millions. You got my TikTok?
Can't go with
They do my TikTok. These are my managers right here. They do everything for me. Follow me now on TikTok. I just created an account at right here, just down below. I know where it is. Okay, it's right here, right below. I'm petting it right now, right here. So as you guys can see, been around the video. There's cars, so we're at a car show. Like always, my dad gets the spotlight. And I'm over here lonely, depressing with my car. I have a Tesla, everyone. I have a Tesla. I don't know what he's about to do. I think he's about to rev the car or something.
Ahora,
What are you doing?
so they people see it. They want to see it.
Like always, I gotta take care of my dad's stuff. Cleaning stuff for him. Look at this. What wipe down did he do? Dad, what wipe down did you do? You didn't do any wipe down. You know!
Oh yeah.
You see the mirrors and everything? Alright, listen, I know you like my Tesla a lot, so...
My Tesla.
Okay, it's not about you, it's about me. I know you like...
No, it's about me.
Mira, maricosita. Suave, nena, okay? Listen, I know you like my Tesla, so I'm gonna make you choose between... We're gonna start by this car. We're gonna go each and every individual car and see which one you like the most, okay? Better not be the Tesla. You better pick one of these cars, okay? This car.
No, Tesla.
God damn it. This car.
Hell no, Tesla.
Okay, you know what? Alright, this car? Otra vez. Okay, you know what? Alright, how about the Lotus? You choose a Lotus? You still choose a Tesla. What the hell? Do you choose this car over the Tesla now?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, thank the Lord. Baby, you heard that? You didn't hear? Oh, you deaf? So I'm gonna try to get my dad to let me drive this car real quick. Let me see. Dad, hold on. Before you start it, let me drive my sister-in-law over here.
You drive your sister-in-law?
Yeah, I want to get her scared a little bit.
Man, your Tesla's way faster, man.
No. This is nice and faster too.
No. Yours takes off way faster.
I like this. Look, convertible, roof down, wind in my hair. I look beautiful in this car. So come on. Even though I look nice in that car too, in my Tesla. You know how I do. All right, get out now. Get out.
Oh, you know how hard it is to get in there?
Well, you need help?
You don't get Oh, remember the thing is there.
Yeah, don't hurt yourself, Dad. Don't hurt yourself. Hey, you look good though. Yeah.
All right, let me get my bag.
No, that bag is not mine.
No,
I'm in possession of this car now. Alright, so I'm gonna take my little sister-in-law on a test drive. Hopefully we can get some reactions, but I'll see y'all over at the breakfast place.
Mira.
What?
Cuidado. Take it easy.
Why?
My sister's life is in your hands. Something happened. I kill you. Be careful. Don't go fast.
First of all, don't talk to me like that.
Excuse me?
Don't talk to me like that.
Excuse me?
I'm the driver of this car. I know how to control it.
Mwah.
Ew, disgusting.
Ah!
Pounder. Doggy.
With it.
Gotta go fast. Right here, hold my mask. Hold my phone. Hold my wallet. Oh, I thought I lost my wallet. Oh my god. Ready, Jocelyn?
Oh my god!
Sound like you about to shit on yourself.
Oh my god!
Need my horse brush. Dang, girl, you farting? Damn!
The navigation.
Mom, you have the navigation on your phone. How far is this place? I'm hungry.
11 minutes.
11 minutes? So left side or right side? Jocelyn, we gotta drive like we own this. So put the damn windows down, put your arm out, and feel like you own this. Gang in the house. Gang.
Y'all don't have this light that we have.
I know. Look at that right there. Alright, so rate it 1 out of 10.
I give it a 10.
You give it a 10?
I give it a 10.
You hear that? She gives it a 10. How about my driving? You give it a solid one?
I give it a 10.
Ah, thank you, Jocelyn. You're the man, don't touch me.
I'm a man, I'm a woman.
As you just saw, I just took my sister-in-law for a test drive in the Lamborghini. But right now, we're gonna get something in our stomachs because we're starving. So we'll see y'all in there.
Down.
You put it in my thing, didn't you? You son of a... To your elders with respect. Put this in your water now. Just kidding, right here. Just kidding. Baby.
Don't you dare.
Baby.
Don't you dare. Don't you dare.
Un besito. Un besito.
Don't you dare.
Un besito.
No te hagas.
Un besito.
No te hagas.
Un besito.
No te
We're
hagas.
at a restaurant.
No te hagas. I'll grab you by the balls.
This is a family channel. Anyways, we're sitting here waiting for our food patiently, right? Patiently, eating your pickle. What is this, coleslaw?
I think it's for me though.
Who the hell want a
You
coleslaw?
want my pickle?
Did it come with your food?
I don't know, I guess.
Everyone's sad in this table, depressing, but you know I lighten up the mood for them.
What?
I can make a joke real quick. Knock knock. Cat. Cat in the hat. But yeah, we're just waiting here patiently for my food. And yeah, hopefully we get something to eat. Smoothie place, right? But if I ever open up a smoothie shop, I have a name for it. Fountain Mountain. That's good, right? That makes it delicious in your mouth. Look, my mouth is already getting watery. It's not my dad's birthday, but I got a little birthday surprise for him. I know it passed about, what, like 2 weeks ago?
It was like
Yeah.
I got a little cheesecake. Okay. This side of the Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Anthony. Happy birthday to you.
ready? Let me see. Maybe I got to do a wish.
The nose.
No. No, I did one, and they go, "What the hell was that?" I go,
So just gonna give you a little preview of my boy Omar's car. In case you don't know, it's my family friend, my uncle, my everything to me, my family friend
Thank you, Gabriel.
Omar.
Appreciate it.
I'm gonna leave his Instagram down in the description because he keeps up with all his shoes. You see, he's wearing the Yeezy. He got the Travis Scott mask. Look at that. Mira, Lord. Look at that. Golden chain. My boy Pippin over here. My boy Pippin. But I'm gonna let him explain the car. Tell him what he likes about the car and things like that. So what's the majority of the questions that you get about this car?
So the question I get, you know, it's how many cylinders the car is. Is it 8? Is it 12? It's a basic Maserati Ghibli 2015.
Gotcha.
Best thing about it's actually a 6, but it's a twin turbo 6. That's kind of like the best feature I like about the car.
Yeah. How much horsepower?
Good question.
Good question. That's for Google right there. We're gonna pop up right
we'll
here.
pop that up.
How much horsepower it has on Google.
Well, I'm gonna get that information.
Yeah.
We'll go back and record it. But yeah, basically a basic model. I had a Porsche 911 Carrera before this. My wife needed something more practical to go to work. So and she does have a far commute. So we ended up getting her something more practical. She called it her mom car.
So this is Patrice's car.
I have an 09 Maserati crop report, and that's my car. But this is more of her car. She loves it. She likes all the bells and whistles, the gadgets that come in with it, the car. But yeah, and this is kind of just the car.
Now I see that you have cream interior or white interior. What type of interior color is it?
So it's a cream interior on black.
Okay.
So everything is black with white seats.
Oh, white seats. You know I love my white seats.
Gotcha.
Car right here. Look at this. Man. What's up, Blair? You been good? I can't hear anything. Hey, nice car.
"Yeah, nice car. You too."
You too? No, I know I got a nice car, buddy.
For living.
What do I do for living? I can't discuss what I do for living because if I discuss it, I might go to jail. So I'm doing the illegal. You know how it is. So I think we should race real quick. If that's alright with you. Ready? Set, go! That's how you win it! Yeah! You suck! You suck! Okay, that sounds good.